Hello friends, my name is Shalu Pal, and today in this video I am going to tell you about how to crack group discussion. See, in today's world GD is a very common thing which we have to face everywhere. We have to face GD to crack an interview in MBA exams, and also we have to face GD in cracking interviews of top MNCs. So how you can crack GD? In this video I would like to share my knowledge with you for cracking group discussion. Let's see what is group discussion. We should know what is group discussion because if we are going for a GD, we should know why it is conducted. Okay. Group discussion in simple words means discussion among a group of people. Okay, the name only indicates that it is a discussion between the group of people. The group will have 5 to 12 more or less members who will express their views freely, frankly, in a friendly manner on a topic. So group may contain 5, 10 or more than 10 peoples, but what these people have to do in GD, they have to express their views on a given topic. One topic will be given to you and you have to share your views in front of all in a friendly manner. Within a time limit of 20 to 30 minutes, the abilities of the members is measured. They will give you some particular time. It may be around 15 minutes or more than 15 minutes or more than 20 to 30 minutes. But in this time limit, they will assess your abilities. They will assess your personality. Nowadays, group discussion is being extensively used along with personal interviews for the final selection of candidates. It plays a main role in selecting the best among the best. See, why group discussion is conducted? It is conducted to select the candidates, to analyze their personality, to analyze their skills. Because in group discussion, they can analyze that how the candidate is behaving in a group, how he is able to express his views in a group. So this group discussion technique is used along with interviews for the selection of candidates. It is one of the best tools to study the behavioral and attitudinal responses of the participants. GD is also the best tool to study the skills of candidates, like to behavioral and attitudinal responses also comes under the skills of candidates. So hope you have understand what the GD is and why it is conducted. So next I would like to tell you about that through GD what are the personality skills are judged by the panel team. Okay, so GD is to judge personality skills like ability to work in a team. See, in every company or in every college we required the ability that how the candidate can work in a team. So here his working in a team ability is judged through GD. Next is communication skills. Communication skills, how you can communicate between group, is also judged in GDs. Next is listening skills. Listening skills, when some other person is speaking, how properly and how good listener you are. So listening skills are also being judged in GDs. Next, reasoning ability. Reasoning ability is also judged in GDs, that how good you are in your reasoning level. Okay. Next is leadership skills, that how a candidate can express his views in front of 10 to 15 people and how he can convince the other group members to accept his views, to follow his views. No, sorry, it's to agree on his views. So leadership skills is also measured through GD. Next is behavioral skills. Behavioral skills means how a person is behaving in 10 to 15 group of people. So here behavioral skills are also judged in GD. Next is creativity. Creativity, how we can judge through GD, because a topic is given to a person and how he can create new ideas on this topic. So his creativity is also being measured by GDs. Next is confidence. See how confident you are while expressing your views in front of 10 to 15 people. So here also your confidence level is also being judged in GDs. So hope you have understand that what are the different personality skills being judged in GDs by panel members while you are expressing your views in GD. Hope you have understood all these points of personality skills. Next, I would like to tell you about some 10 simple rules to crack GD. You have to follow all these rules while you are going for a GD. Let's see what are these rules. First rule is keep eye contact while speaking. See, do not look at the evaluators only. Keep eye contact with every team member while speaking. Next point is initiate the GD. Always try to initiate the GD because it is a big plus point for you. But keep in mind, initiate the group discussion only when you understood the GD topic clearly and have some topic knowledge. Speaking without proper subject knowledge is a bad impression. Okay? So, be prepared that if you are initiating the GD, you must have topic knowledge. Next rule is allow others to speak. Do not interrupt anyone in between while speaking. Even if you don't agree with his or her thoughts, do not snatch their chance to speak. Instead, make some notes and clear the points when it's your turn. Next rule is speak clearly. See, your communication skills is being measured in GD, so try to speak politely and clearly. Use simple and understandable words while speaking. Don't be too aggressive if you are disagreeing with someone. Express your feelings calmly and politely. Next rule is make sure to bring the discussion on track. If by any means group is distracting from the topic or goal, then simply take initiative to bring the discussion on the track. Make all group members aware that you all need to come to some conclusion at the end of discussion. So stick to the topic. Next rule is positive attitude. See, be confident. Do not try to dominate anyone. Keep positive body language and show interest in discussion. Next rule is speak sensibly. Do not speak just to increase your speaking time. Don't worry even if you speak less. Your thoughts should be sensible and relevant instead of irrelevant speech. Okay, so try to speak sensibly and speak less, but you should speak relevant to the topic. Next rule is listen carefully to others. Speak less and listen more. Pay attention while others are speaking. This will make coherent decision and you will get involved in the group positively. You will surely make people agree with you. Next point is no need to go into much detail. Some basic subject analysis is sufficient. No need to mention exact figures while giving any reference. You have limited time, so be precise and convey your thoughts in short and simple language. Last rule is formal dressing. Do not take it casually, no fancy and funny dressing. You should be comfortable while speaking in group. Positive gesture and body language will make your work easy. So hope you have understood all these 10 simple rules which you can follow while going for your GD, and you can easily crack a GD. GD is not such a big deal. If you are confident enough, you can easily crack GD. So best of luck to you all if you are going for a GD. Thank you for watching my video. You can subscribe my YouTube Learn by Watch channel for watching my more videos, or you can mail me your comments and suggestions at shalu@learnbywatch.com. Thank you.